Hi, in this tutorial we will be mainly discussing about how to create an EC2 instance in AWS and how to get remote access to that EC2 instance. For this we will go to EC2, then we will click launch instance. In this screen we can choose any of the flavors, like we want Amazon Linux or Red Hat or Ubuntu or Fedora or even Windows we can choose. So I'll go with Amazon Linux. We can choose what type of machine we want, so each machine has its own core and own memory. So I will go with T2 micro. It has 1 core and 1 GB of RAM. Depending on the business scenario and what performance you want, we can choose. Like if we want memory optimized, so we can choose M4 or M large or M5 large. If you want compute optimization, then you can go with C type instances, or if you want like relational database, so you can go with R type, R3, R2 instances. So I will go with the free tier 1 T2 micro. I will click preview and launch. I will keep everything default and click launch. Here we need to choose the key pair. So basically it helps in accessing the EC2 instance remotely. So I will just create a new pair. I'll give it name access token. Then you can download the key pair. So it will be actually a access token PEM file. I'll give launch instance. So basically we can see that it is in pending state, so it takes nearly 2 to 3 minutes of time to get the instance up and running. In the meantime, we will go and convert the PEM file to PPK file, because we'll be accessing this EC2 instance using winscp, and winscp takes only PPK file. So I will use puttygen to convert the PEM file to PPK file. So in putty key generator we can just load the PEM file. You can click save private key, and then we can save it as a PPK format. In the meantime, we can see the instance is running, but the status is still not 2x2. So I'll go and open winscp. So in winscp it will ask for host name. So host name is basically the IP address or the host name of that machine. So for this machine the host name is public DNS. You can either give this or this IP address. I'll go with the IP address. It communicates with port 22. So basically you can see in subnet what are the ports. So this is the default subnet which has all the ports open, and the key pair name is access token. So we can go and access this using this access token. For this access token we can also go and keep it on the left side, and we can just get this to access token here. We can create and delete this access token. Since we don't have access to the root user, so we will log in using EC2 user. For password we'll go to advanced authentication, and here we'll give the PPK file. We'll save it for further login. And once we click login, we can see that we are able to log into that machine. So if you go to the root, we can see there's the Linux instance, and on the left side is our Windows instance. So you can just drag and drop this from this side to that side. So this is how we access our EC2 instance remotely. That's all for this tutorial. If you like this, then don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.